Welcome to the Java class. In this video, I will discuss the lists in Java. Lists in Java provides a facility to maintain the data in ordered format. So it provides facility to maintain the ordered collection. We can say that ordered collection. Okay. It contains the index-based methods to insert, delete, update the data. It can have duplicate elements. Also, you can store the null elements in list. So here, list is provides facility to maintain the ordered collections. Okay, it contains index-based methods and index-based methods. So with help of the methods, you can just insert, delete, and update the data. You can also store the null values into a list. You can also store the null values into a list. Okay. So in list interface is found in Java.util package. So here you can find the list interface in Java.util package, and init from the collection interface, and it is init from the collection interface. It is the factory of list iterator interface. Through the list iterator, we can iterate the list in forward and backward direction. We can iterate the list in forward direction and also even backward directions. To implementation classes of list interface are the array list, linked list, stack, and vector. So implementation classes of the list interface is array list, linked list, and stack and vector. Here interface means there is only declaration of methods. Implementation will be done in classes. So here the implementation classes of the lists are array list, linked list, stack, and vector. The array list and linked list are widely used in Java. The array list and linked list are widely used in Java. So vector classes depreciate since from Java 5. So vector class has completely discarded from since from the Java version 5. So we will discuss some methods list methods. Okay, just I will remove this content. So first method is wait. Right, I will pass two parameters here. That is int, index, comma, element. So it is used to insert the element at the specified position of the list. Okay. With help of this, we can insert the specified element in a specified position in the list. We can insert the element into a list at a particular position, or you can see that at specified position. Okay. So with help of the add method, we can insert the element at specified position in specified position. So here next is boolean add. I will just pass one variable, class variable, that is p. Okay. It is used to append the specified element at the end of the list. It is used to append the specified element at the end of the list. So next is white clear. It is used to remove all elements from the list. Okay. It is used to remove all elements from the list. Okay. So I will just write the content. It is used to remove all elements from the list. It is used to remove all elements from the list. Okay. So next is boolean equal. I will just pass class variable of. So here it is used to compare the specified object with the elements of the list. It is used to compare the specified object with elements of the list. Okay, it is used to compare the particular element with all elements. You can say that all objects. So it is used to used to compare the specified object with the all elements of the list. Next is int hash code. Int hash code. Okay, it is the int hash code. It is used to return the hash code value for a list. It is used to return a hash code value for a list. Just it will return a hash code for a particular element. Okay, not a particular position. It is to return the hash code value for the list. So simple. It is used to return hash code for a list. Next is boolean. Boolean is empty. It returns true if the list is empty, otherwise false. Okay, it is used to check whether a list is empty or not. If it is empty, then it will return true. If it is not empty, it will just return false. Okay, so it returns it returns the true if a list is empty, otherwise false. Okay, next is int last index. We will just pass the class object as a object. So it is used to return the index in the list of the last occurrence of the specified element, or minus one if a list does not contain this element. So it is used to return the index in the list, in this list of the last occurrence of specified element. Okay, it return minus one if list does not contain any element. It will just return the index of the index value of the last element. So it returns the index value of the last element. Okay, so next is white sort. So for white sort, we'll just discuss int size. Int size. So it is used to return the number of elements present in the list. It is used to return the number of elements present in the list. It will just return the size of the list. It is used to return the number of elements present in the list. Okay, so these are the common methods. So first I will discuss again. I will repeat the content. The list is Java. In Java, list provides the facility to maintain the data in ordered form. You can say that facility to maintain the ordered collection. It contains the index-based methods. With help of the methods, we can insert, delete, update the list. Okay, so it can have also duplicate values. It can also contain duplicate values. You can repeat the same value in list. Okay, so next is it can also store the null values. It can also store the empty values. Okay, so I have discussed some here methods. So that is so first one is add. With help of the add method, we can add element in a particular index value. So next is Boolean. It is to append the specified element at the end of the list. Next is void clear. It is used to remove the all elements from the list. Next, Boolean equal. It is used to compare the object with all elements of the list. Int hash code. It returns the hash code for a list, boolean empty, a boolean is empty. It is used to check whether it is empty or not. If it is empty, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. In the last index, it is used to return the it is used to display the it is used to return the last index of the last element. Next is int size. It is used to return the size of the list. So these are the common methods available in the list. Just okay. So next is I will show you the syntax for the list. How to create the list. Okay. So how to create the list? The syntax is for creating the list. Syntax for creating the list. Okay. So public, the access modifier public, interface keyword because it is interface. Okay. So next is list and class, that is e extends collections. Extends collection. Okay, so this is the syntax of the list interface. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.